Hey, I'm Steve, and I just picked up this Fab Habitat Outdoor Rug. This rug is made from recycled plastic and it's waterproof. And number one, my wife really liked it. She loved the colors and said, "Would you please order that for me?" I said, "Yes, ma'am." For storage, this rug came with 2 elastic bands, and it also comes with this eco-friendly carrier bag. I thought the bag was a nice addition to be included with the rug. The rug looks to be very high quality, should last a long time. Let me give you some close-ups so you can see what you're getting in case you're looking at making a purchase. Here I've laid the rug down on our back porch and it looks really nice. Let me give you some more close-ups. Now these rugs are made from recycled plastic, so that means the rug itself is recyclable. This rug is also reversible. If you want to clean this rug, just grab a hose and hose it off. We really like this rug and I think you'll like it too, so if you are looking at it, I hope you found my video helpful.